They say starting is the hardest part, and when it comes to learning the functionality of a new program, it can often be an uphill battle. But make sure you stick around and watch this video, because in just 90 seconds, you'll have a better understanding of Illustrator, helping you become more productive and get things done. What's up designers, Matt Roberts here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at 5 Illustrator tools in just 90 seconds. That's right, just 90 seconds. These are tools that I use daily and the tools you must know about. I'm going to do my best to cram it into 90 seconds, but we'll see. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We post new videos every Wednesday, helping you become a better designer. Right, give me 90 seconds on the clock, let's go. Right, the first tool that we're going to look at is the pen tool. The pen tool is one of the most powerful tools in Illustrator. It allows you to plot anchor points and adjust the associated curves with those anchor points. Simply click to place an anchor point, and if you click and hold, you can drag out the handles to create some awesome curves. The second tool is offset path. So say you want to create some concentric shapes, offset path allows you to do this easily. To find offset path, go up to Object, Path, Offset Path. In here you can specify the required offset, but make sure you hit that preview button so you can see what the offset looks like. The next tool that we're going to look at is the Align tool. The Align tool allows you to quickly align things to make sure everything lines up perfectly. You can enable it by going up to Window and making sure that Align is checked. So say you want to align these to the center of the square, you can use the horizontal and vertical align to centers to make sure that it lines up perfectly. The fourth tool we're going to look at is the Pathfinder. If you don't have it enabled, you can go up to Window and make sure the Pathfinder is checked. I normally use the Pathfinder tool to create some unique shapes. So say you're looking to create a shape like this, it can be easily achieved using 4 circles and the intersect option. The fifth tool is fill color. I use fill color all the time to select a certain color in a design. So let's say we want to select all of these orange circles. We can select one, come up to select, same, fill color. Boom, all of the orange circles are selected. You can recolor, delete, move, whatever you need to do. Stop the clock. Thanks for watching designers. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, give it a like. And also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Check out the Digifrog merch, link in the description. Simply click to plot an anchor point. Simply click to plot an anchor. Simply click to plot. Simply click to plot. Simply click to plot an anchor point. Simply click to plot an Simply click to plot an anchor point. Simply click to plot an anchor point. Simply click to place an anchor point.